This is the elevator at the Ferguson building, Penn State's main campus, State College, Pennsylvania. That LED is pretty blinding. Here it is. Ooh. Has a side door, but that doesn't work. 2, close it up. Adams flush line indicator. Very nice motor. Here we are at 2. Ooh, you can see the LEDs. Down works. Both lanterns. Wow. Let's go down to B. Get it locked up, both of them. There we go. Wow. Here we are at B. Let's check out 1S. Oh, it worked. I believe that this could be a Westinghouse, because seeing the LEDs on those. We were at 1S. It's probably going to be this door. Yep. Wow. Cool. Now, forget what I was saying. Sorry, with my finger in the way there. Yeah, here at B. Send it, we'll go to 2. Listen to the motor going up. We'll end it at S1. As I was saying, I believe this is a Westinghouse. Wait a minute. As I was saying, now, as I was saying, I believe this is a Westinghouse, because seeing those LEDs reminds me of the former Sears at the Danbury Fair Mall in Danbury, Connecticut. Oh, we're stopping on 1. That's it.